projects when left unattended. If you need home repairs but don't have enough time or knowledge to accomplish the task, a professional handyman will complete a variety of repairs which will prevent your minor fixes from becoming large and expensive repair projects. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a handyman that is right for you. 1. Ask if the handyman specializes in certain repairs. While a professional can perform a variety of tasks, some are more skilled in specific areas. 2. Any contractor who asks you to pay a large portion in advance of the work should make you skeptical. 3. Always ask if they have online reviews or any testimonials they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right professional handyman. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.